Okay, the easiest way to clean your water line in any refrigerator. Easiest. Everybody wants to take the vinegar and they want to put it on top of the refrigerator and put a line into the back of the refrigerator. That'll clean the back lines, but more than likely they're not the ones that are probably gummed up. It's probably the dispenser. So here's your filter. Empty out all the water in the filter, as much as you can anyway. Pour some vinegar inside the filter. Doesn't need to be much, just a little bit. And then you take the filter and you put it in the refrigerator. Right in the same spot that you took it out of. Then put that there. Run it until you smell vinegar. See some air bubbles, maybe a few. There it is. Now we know we're probably getting vinegar. Smell it? A little bit, so we'll go a little bit more. That's it. You're welcome.